equator. And so if we actually see what's going into the poles, we might be able to predict some of the sunspots that may result in very powerful emissions later on. And in this particular case, just being able to see the poles with so much detail is already quite incredible. Now, because all of this is actually only visible in the ultraviolet light, what you see in here are two different colors. The lighter areas are created by loops of magnetism that rise upwards from the solar interior. These are normally called closed magnetic field lines because a lot of magnetic particles usually stay inside of them, becoming trapped. But the darker areas are where the sun's field is open, and so a lot of gases can escape into space, creating the solar wind. But because this is in extreme ultraviolet light at approximately 70 nanometers, we're not actually going to be seeing this with our own eyes. You do need to have a very specialized instrument, so something like this. And during this time, it observed what you're about to see on the screen here. It observed some really unusual features that the scientists have never seen before. One of them they started to refer to as solar hedgehog. It's the feature you can kind of see in the bottom third of the image. And currently this actually has no explanation and nobody knows what exactly is forming this. Very unusual, very strange, but very likely produced by some kind of an interaction with the magnetic field. In this case, this was only observed at the ultraviolet 17 nanometers in wavelength, and despite this appearing kind of small, it's actually pretty big. As you can see, it's larger than our planet, approximately 25,000 kilometers across, with the gases that are coming out of here also being super hot, around 1 million degrees, way hotter than the actual surface of the sun. Once again, why? Nobody knows. It was also lucky enough to